Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the front panel and flip it over. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Slightly lift and pull the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back in the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Flip the front panel over and place the front bezel and base cover on the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.